Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So how are you friends? I hope all of you are good and healthy. So today we will learn a new topic from class 9th. Okay, it is going to be very interesting. So please watch my video till end. Okay, now let's jump into the video. So today our topic is quadrilaterals. Okay, what are quadrilaterals? Okay, let me explain you. First, uh, take four collinear points. Okay, you know what are collinear points? I take four collinear points. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we join these points, what do we get? We get a straight line. If we join these four collinear points, we get a straight line. Okay. Suppose out of 4, 3 are collinear. Out of 4, 3 are collinear. See, these 3 are collinear, 1 is not collinear. Okay. Then, if we join these points, we get a triangle. And suppose, okay, none of 3 points are collinear. Okay, no 3 points are collinear. It means one is here, other is here, other point is here, and another last point is here. If we join these points, in an order, see, join this, this. So it is a closed figure. Made up of 4 sides. This is called a quadrilateral. So here let's name it A, B, C, D. So here A, B, C, C, D and D, A are 4 sides of the quadrilateral, and angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are the 4 angles of the quadrilateral. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to you. Now let's move to the next slide. So here we have angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay, do you know what is the angle sum property of a triangle? In the same way, we have an angle sum property of a quadrilateral. What is the property? The angle sum property of a quadrilateral is the sum of the angles is 360 degree. It means the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we have to prove it, and proof is very easy. Okay. So here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. So to prove this property, we need to construct a little bit. It's nothing, just join DB. Okay. So here let's name the angles. Okay. Here angle 1. Okay. Here angle 1. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. This is angle 4. This is angle 5. This is angle 6. Okay. And see this triangle, this diagonal divides this quadrilateral into 2 equal parts. Upper side, this is a triangle, and this is also a triangle. Okay. So we know that, okay, angle sum property of a triangle, all of you know. I hope all of you know the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle ABC, okay, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Okay, by angle sum property. Okay, let's name it equation number 1. Okay, now in triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to also 180 degree. Clear? By angle sum property. Now it is equation number 2. Add equation number 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. If we add equation 1 and 2, here see left hand side and left hand side we can add angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 6, okay, is equal to 180 plus 180, 180 plus 180. Now see here, I will write angle 1 and I will write angle 3 and angle 4 together. Why I am writing like this? You will understand soon. Here 3, 4 together and I will put angle 5 and angle 6 together and plus angle 2 is equal to 180 plus 180 is 360. 180 and 180 is 360. So here angle 1, okay, plus see angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 you can see in the figure. Angle 3 clearly we can say that angle 3 plus angle 4 is D. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle D. You can write, see angle 3 plus angle 4 you can write as angle D. And angle 5 plus angle 6 you can write as angle B. Okay, plus angle 2 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now angle 1 can be written as angle A plus angle D plus angle B plus angle 2 can be written as angle C is equal to 360 degree. Clear? So you can write in an order angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So we have proved it that the sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this concept, but still you have some doubts regarding this concept. You can comment me in the comment box below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, because this type of videos I will bring to you daily to make the maths concept simpler. Okay, now I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.